इंसान के जीवन को सुविधायुक्त बनाने के लिए ही इस्तेमाल होता है।
Kinematics of Machine Lab. Objectives of this lab are to impart practical knowledge on design and analysis of mechanism for the specific type of motion in a machine. Dynamics of Machine Lab. Demonstration exercises are provided with the wide varieties of transmission element models to understand machine kinematics. Various experiments with governors, gyroscope, balancing machines and universal vibration facilities are available to understand machine dynamics. Thermodynamics Lab. Demonstration of functioning of system boilers, accessories, mountings are done here. Also, heat transfer, cooling, phenomena in the boiling are studied. Energy Conversion Lab. The lab gives an overview of process of energy generation and the functioning of various elements. Civil Engineering. Geotech Lab. As all the structure rest over soil surface, so it is very important to know about the soil behaviors. In the Geotech Lab, students perform the various experiments to know about different properties of soil such as consolidation, compaction, compression, shear, plastic limit and liquid limit, etc. Environment Lab. Analysis of potable and wastewater is the essential for well-being of our society. Applied Chemistry. Analysis of water and salt in terms of permanent and temporary hardness, pH value, total dissolved solids and type and amount of alkalinity in water, moisture, volatile matters, ash, fixed carbon in coal and flashpoint, fire point of lubricants are determined through experiments. Material Testing Lab. In this lab, the engineering properties such as hardness, toughness, tensile and compressive strength, brittleness, impact strength, etc. are tested for materials like wood, steel and concrete. Fluid Machinery Lab. The objective of Fluid Machinery Laboratory is measurement of performing parameters of hydraulic machines like turbines, centrifugal pump, reciprocating pump, ram and intensifier. Fluid Mechanics Lab. The purpose of Fluid Mechanics Lab is to learn the fluid behavior and fluid characteristics. Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Lab. Different type of refrigeration systems, heat pumps and engine, vertical cooling towers, functioning of compressor and conditioning system are studied in this laboratory. Internal Combustion Engines Lab. The main objective of this lab is to develop an understanding of basic internal combustion engine performance. Electronic Workshop. It plays a vital role in developing the skills of PBC design using the multi-board, negative print and other instruments. Concrete Lab. The objective of this lab is to perform various tests on concrete such as setting time, workability, strength and compaction, etc. Mechanical Engineering. This lab provides the real-time demonstration of fundamental laws of motion, friction and machines. Computer Network Laboratory. Client-server technology based on HCL server with Xenon processor on Windows operating system is connected with different WinB thin clients. Power System Protection and Switchgear Labs. Demonstration of arc quenching of circuit breakers, overcurrent relays, negative sequence relays under fault conditions and protection of machines. High Voltage Engineering Lab. Equipped with generator, sphere gap, road gap assembly, cable tester, oil tester kit, insulation tester, etc. to calibrate the voltmeter, breakdown voltage of transformer, oil insulation and to determine the string efficiency. This laboratory is very special. Rotating Electrical Machines Lab. Induction motors, motor alternator sets, synchronous motors, etc. provide the knowledge of operation and performance of different type of machines along with their losses. Basic Electrical Machines Lab. In this laboratory, students are explained about different parts of machines, their operations, control and characteristics with the exposure to single and three-phase transformers. Survey Lab. Before any construction to be started, one should have an idea about the location, topography and land profile. All such data like finding distance, angle elevation, etc. are possible just because of survey lab and equipments. Mechanical Measurement and Metrology Lab. Heat and Mass Transfer Lab. In this lab, heat transfer processes are experimented upon. Also, thermal properties of materials are determined using composite wall apparatus. Database laboratory, soft computing laboratory, artificial intelligence to provide solution to most challenging problems of our lives, our work and our world, HTML for development of web applications, basic electric circuit lab. Here, students become familiar with the RLC series and parallel circuits to measure different electrical parameters with the knowledge of electronic meters, applied physics, determination of wavelength of light, specific charge of electron, Planck constant, microprocessor laboratory. It imparts the basic idea of memory system organization along with the architecture, interfacing and programming of 8085 and 8086 microprocessors, which are known as brain of computers. Automatic control system lab, open loop and closed loop systems, software technology laboratory. It is a software hub for various semester students of computer science and engineering branch, having softwares for a variety of subjects like network programming to learn communication among different systems on the network. Simulation laboratory. This state-of-the-art laboratory offers the internet facility to be availed by students anytime. Advanced softwares like AutoCAD, SAP and STAAD Pro have been installed. Linear integrated circuits lab. Demonstrative experiments are being performed to analyze the design various circuits using operational amplifiers and data conversion systems. Simulation lab. Simulation and implementation of typical combustional and sequential digital systems and PLDs with expression in VHDL is the aim of this laboratory, with the introduction of various building blocks and test methods in a digital integrated circuit design. Digital electronics circuitry lab. This laboratory provides an overview of digital fundamentals to design, analyze and interpret combustional and sequential digital circuits of medium complexity. Microcontroller laboratory. It gives a brief introduction to ARM7 and ARM9 microcontrollers based on systems. Communication engineering laboratory. With in-house English-speaking instructor for overall grooming in this competitive world. Workshop. Library. Digital library. College provides in-campus hostel with mess facilities, canteen facilities, transportation facility to various parts of city and nearby towns. MM College of Technology. Let's win together.